What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Space Hippie 4, which was the only pair I was able to get. But actually it's a pretty good looking pair from what I can see. So let's get into the review. You got your box, 14, women's 14, 12.5 men's. The 4 is actually the women's pair. So came in this box right here. As you can see, Space Hippie on the top, Nike Trash Transformed along the bottom. And since there's no double box on these, so even the box got the damn Just Do It tape, which I am not a fan of the Just Do It tape, but it is what it is. I mean, it really already has the size tag on the outside anyway. You guys just look at the Space Hippie 4. It's actually a pretty dope shoe. I really like what Nike did here with the whole trash concept thing. It's basically recycling the stuff that they use on other sneakers, like the foam, the uppers. The uppers are actually 85% recycled, made from polyester, from recycled plastic bottles, t-shirts, and yarn scraps. So that's a pretty cool touch. And then this, they call it crater foam, which is a whole bunch, pretty much all of the scraps from the foams that go into different Nike shoes. It's also called, as Nike Grind is also called. But it's a pretty dope shoe, I like it. I think this is pretty cool. It's got a pull tab. You got your Nike pull tab right there. You got your stitched swoosh on the side there. On the inside you got your little swoosh stitched right there. Like I said, the upper is 85% recycled materials called space yarn. They call it space yarn. And you got your crater foam. So you see that whole NASA inspired, as you can say. But these are relatively just a slip-on shoe. The laces are here, but I feel like the laces is more on a decoration standpoint, because it does have, even here it has it's stitched together right here in the corner there. So but these are dope. This is a dope shoe. You got your different color of crater foam there. It's for your traction, the whole traction bottom. It's pretty dope. On the inside you just got the spin wheel swooshes in there. It's a nice touch. But overall this is a pretty cool shoe, pretty dope. Thinking maybe try to get some more. They got some new colorways coming out. I think next week, July 16, I believe. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's July 16 the day coming out. But it's a dope shoe, dope colors. They also had another pair, which I'm waiting for. It's supposed to be coming today, Saturday. UPS supposed to be dropping it off. Thankfully, Nike's not using FedEx anymore. I was having issues with FedEx, so luckily they ship in UPS. That's the reason why I was able to get these. And the pair that's coming in later today. If it comes in time, I will add it to this video. But if not, maybe I'll do a separate video for it. You guys let me know if you would like a separate video of the other colorway of the Space Hippie 4. Oh, also, they did not come with the little bag that the 3, the 1, and the 2 came with. Yeah, I don't know why I said that out of order, but anyway. Yeah, it didn't come with that special yarn bag, I guess you could call it. I thought it was going to come with that. I was looking forward to that, but that's alright. It's a dope shoe though. But the whole box thing, sustainability that they're trying to go with, so there was no other box. It wasn't double box shipped, it's just single. But it's a really cool pair, really dope. Can't go wrong with these, I don't think. If you're just gonna throw them on, slip them on, and just rock out for the day or whatever, you just slip these on and keep it moving. So if you guys like the shoes, rate, comment, subscribe down below, and I'm out. Peace.